everybody. Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Marybeth. We're inside of the ever-growing digital growth community once again, where at the time of this video, we have 27,500 members worldwide. We are growing by leaps and bounds, truly at an unprecedented rate, and really for good reason, because we have something here that really is positively and significantly impacting so many lives from all around the world. And if you've been looking at this opportunity called the Legacy Builder Program for any length of time, there's never been a better time than for you to finally take action, because we are coming off of an incredible 90-day successful run. We're getting ready to do it all over again starting next week on Tuesday, the 9th of July. We're starting a brand new Legacy Builder Sprint. I'd love nothing more than for you to experience the new journey, the new season with us, but you have to take action, okay? The core focus of our upcoming Legacy Sprint is going to be around a simple concept called MAM, Master, Apply, and Multiply. What we're going to do is we're going to teach you and show you how to master the 2-hour workday so you can finally stop trading time for dollars, okay? And work smarter and not harder, more efficiently and effectively. Then we're going to teach you how to apply the proven marketing strategies. Apply and implement what has already been proven and tested to work for the best results. And then we're going to show you how to multiply your daily earnings over the next 90 days. It's going to be amazing. I just want to continue to inspire you and share more continued results and wins that this amazing community is continuing to achieve. And you can be next, folks, but you have to get in on the action. And I'd love nothing more than for you to be able to do that today. So what I'm doing is I'm dropping the link to my website where you can review everything for yourself. Okay, first hand, you're going to watch 2 presentation explainer videos that are going to break it all down very simplistically. Any questions, and if you're serious, you certainly can reach me. I'm very transparent. I always drop my contact details below. Text or call me. Best way to reach me. Okay, so let's get into the wins right here for you so you can see what is possible. Look at this, folks. A $900 ding just now. Okay, this member, Ann, was busy posting daily content when her ding came through, and here came another $900 payment and another new Legacy Builder member. Her best advice is just like mine. Staying consistent always pays off. It's all about being consistent, folks, each and every single day for the best results. Showing up, treating your business like a real business, and be willing to be coachable, okay? Commit to the process. It's been tested. It's been proven to work. And just remain persistent and consistent with your daily income producing activities, okay? So here we go, folks. Look, another $900 ding while on a road trip. Okay. 5 days, $2,400 in the first 5 days of July. I am so grateful. Kristen says this continues to blow my mind every single day, and all I can say is thank you, Jesus. Look at this, over $1,000 in one single day. Never imagined the introvert that I am, Jerry reports, could ever accomplish anything like this. Keep moving forward, believe in yourself, and good things will follow. Exactly. You have to have self-belief. That's really where it all begins. And we provide you with the ability to have that self-belief, folks, with our amazing mindset training. We equip you with the best of both worlds, mindset training and skill set training, so you can hit the ground running and you too can experience great things in your life through this amazing Legacy Builder program. Okay, look at this. 14 days, that's 2 weeks, $6,000. My first 4 weeks, I didn't sell anything. I stayed consistent and determined. And the past 2 weeks, I made $6K. I'm so excited for the future and how many people are winning here. See, folks, it's all about persistence and consistency. All right, look at this. 6K in 14 days. Amazing. Look at this. Whoop. There it is. Another $900 officially, pitting me at 70K in 5 months since the beginning. Pinch me because I have to be dreaming. Look at this. This is absolutely amazing, folks. Okay? We are here to celebrate everybody's wins, irregardless of how small or sizable they are. Okay? Because every win is monumental, it's significant, and we are truly helping people to change their lives and help people to finally break free. Everybody's here for a specific reason. We all have our own individual whys. And if you're somebody who's just sick and tired of being sick and tired, your own personal situation, you're just not content, you're not happy with where you are, you're not happy about how your future looks, this can absolutely set you on a new course, a new pace for change, folks. But you have to be willing to take action, folks. Take a leap of faith and get started. There's never been a better time than today, because the sooner you get in, the sooner things can change for you, and you can be fully equipped and prepared to start running with us next Tuesday. It's going to be amazing. This next season is just going to be amazing. We just continue to grow. We're evolving. We're getting bigger. We're getting better, and we're impacting even more lives, folks. I mean, look at this. People are just so ecstatic. You know, we're celebrating all of our wins. Members are overflowing with gratitude because we give you everything you need for success. Okay? Look at this. Another ding. Another $900 sale in 2 days. So very blessed and happy for those 2 people and their journey with our community. Okay? So I think you get the gist, folks. Look at this. Amazing. I mean, this is just what's possible. First 5 days of July. 5 figures over 10K in the first week of a brand new month. Okay? Look at this. Absolutely amazing. Leads are flowing in. Wins are coming in. Look at this. People are setting themselves up and positioning themselves to be able to change their lives. And I'd love nothing more than to help you to be able to change yours. I'm dropping the link to my website below in the description. You'll also have access to my personal contact and details. If you're serious, I welcome all serious inquiries. Text or call me. That's the best way to reach me. My website will be below. All you need to do is just give me a good valid email address. Enter it into my website, into my capture page. You're going to be redirected to a video presentation, an explainer video number 1. Okay, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Once you go to my website, okay, and you put your information in, you're going to be going to my thank you page. You're going to want to watch this video right here. Okay? And then you're going to want to click here. Okay? If you want to learn how to have a successful business as well, you're going to watch this video, explainer video number 2. Okay? And then click here to get started. You're going to go to my product page. You're going to scroll down. You're going to review the 4 products. Select the one that you feel is the best for you right now, the best fit. You can always upgrade. Just wanted to let you know, you can always move onward and upward and upgrade. Let's just get you going, okay? Come in where you fit in, where you're most comfortable today, where your resources enable you to get started, and I am here to help you on the inside. Connect with me, text or call me, and I'd love nothing more than to welcome you to the Legacy Builder program in advance, as well as the digital growth community. You're in the right place. You're in the right space. If you are looking for change, this can absolutely help you, and it's going to give you the skills that you can take out into the marketplace and literally be successful with any endeavor that you decide to embark on now, tomorrow, or in the foreseeable future. Thank you so much for spending the last 9 minutes with me, allowing me to continue to share and continue to spread the greatness with the masses here on this amazing social media platform that I continue to utilize to build and grow my Legacy Builder business. And you can too. We give you step-by-step training. Everything you need will be contained within your training. Okay? It's just a matter of you getting started. Let's do that now, and I'll see you soon on the inside. Bye-bye.